Hi, Dr. Frege here with Ideal Health and Wellness, and this week I am 22 weeks pregnant, so we're moving right along here through the second trimester. And today I thought we'd talk about, starting to get prepared for baby, and one of those things being birthing classes, especially if you're going to be looking to register for a longer birthing class, like Bradley Method, which I will talk about today. A lot of times that you will have to register and start the class either right at the beginning or even right before the third trimester. So there's a lot of birthing classes out there. Most local hospitals are going to offer classes that go over labor delivery, breastfeeding support, even have some big sister, big brother classes for the younger ones to take as well. So my husband and I took Bradley Method, and I really liked that course. And I think my husband and I would both agree, and we've told people that's probably the best thing that we did to prepare for our birth. So my goal was always to do a natural, unmedicated birth, but never, with my first one, never having given birth before, I always was open to knowing that potentially you could need intervention as well too. So what I liked Bradley is that they do promote natural childbirth and labor and techniques to help with that. But they're also about, educating and encouraging dad, so he's able to coach mom through birth as well too. We had a fantastic Bradley instructor, and what I liked about her is that she focused on, Bradley birth is more about being able to make informed decisions, whether that ends in natural unmedicated childbirth or not. You should feel like you've been able to make informed decisions through the whole process. And that, again, would be more of a Bradley birth than successfully doing one with no medications. Again, it was a really great experience doing that, and again, having that education as well as learning different techniques that helped through labor for both me and my husband was very beneficial. Now, Bradley is a 12-week course, so again, it's something that you would have to think about ahead of time to register, and I do highly recommend that you look into the teachers that are out there and make sure that they are certified, and look at some reviews as well too to pick a good one. Again, there's people that have done hypnobirthing. I personally did not do that, but I've heard good things about it. And again, there's other hospital courses, but a lot of times in the hospital courses, they can only cover so much. So again, if you're, thinking about doing more of a natural child birth experience, I would recommend looking into a course that's a little bit longer. So that's what we did with our first one. And like I said, we had a great birth. I cannot complain at all. We were able to do a successful, natural, unmedicated birth with our first. So we're hoping to be able to do that with the second one. And we'll talk a little bit too about kind of making birth plans and what you want to include that in another video. But for now, again, I would start thinking about what class you want to take and how that is going to fit in with your particular birth experience that you are hoping to achieve.